Hey there, Nanki Auto. This is Donald Cunningham, and I wanted to talk to you about a few things that you can do to your website to bring more customers to your business. I do this because I know that many times business owners are too busy running their business to explore all the ways that the internet can help them. And many times, after I've given them some free information, on things they can do, many times business owners will reach out to me and ask me for my help. So I'd like to talk to you about three things, three strategies that you can use to cause your website to rank higher and bring you more customers. Now, the three things I wanted to talk about are content, citation, and backlinks. Now, content is anything that appears on your homepage. I'm looking at your site right here. So all of this is content. Pictures, words. Now it has been found, okay, it has been found that the sites that rank the highest in Google have between 1,500 to 2,400 words on their homepage. Now your homepage, you have about 1,135 words on your homepage. Okay, now this is your competitor site. Now they have about 1,203 words on their page, their homepage, not much more than you have, still less than 1,500. And take a look at their site. Actually, I think your site looks better, to tell the truth, than their site. They just have more words on their homepage. Okay, now in addition to the number of words on the homepage, you also want to have keywords in your content that are cause um, that are going to be used in searches to find you. Okay, now this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but essentially what it does, it gives me the background details that Google looks at when it's ranking a website. And as I mentioned, we want to have keywords that are important. So in this, they're being found for 30 keywords. And I come down here, and this shows the keywords that they're being found for. The top one, the Fix Auto, it's 1,700 search volume in a month. And then Fix Auto Collision, Fix Auto USA. These are the top three keywords that they're being found for. So what we're going to do for you is, as I say, you want to have 1,500, minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, but then you also want to include in your content some of these keywords that are going to be keywords that your competitor is being found for as well. Okay, let's move on to the second thing I wanted to talk to you about, and that is citations. Now, this is what I have here is the result of a Google search. We have over here we have our organic listing, and over here we have our map section, which we also call the map path. Now, so your citation is your name, address, and phone number, also known as a NAP. So if we click on here, it brings up the profile, and then here you see the name. You come down here, you see the address and the phone number. And as I said, that's what is known as a NAP. Now, but the important thing about the NAP is you want to have your NAP listed in online directories. Now here's a chart here. It shows some of the top directories that your NAV could be listed in. Yahoo, Bing, Yelp, Yellow Pages, BBB, and so forth. But there's also a couple of other 100 online directories that you could have your NAV listed in. But not only that, you want to have your NAV listed in more directories than your competitor. That's what's going to push you up and rank you higher in the map pack. Now I have a site that I use called Bright Local, and Bright Local will show what directories that your NAP is listed in and what directories your competitor's NAP is listed in. So what we want to do is match the directories that your competitor is listed in, but then get you even listed in even more directories than your competitor, which will give you more relevance uh, to Google. Okay, now the third thing I wanted to talk to you about is backlinks. Now, backlink is when one site links to another site online, and the site being linked to gets authority from from the backlink. So the more sites you have linking to your site gives you more authority. And also important, but you want relevant backlinks linking to your site, backlinks that are related to your business and what you do that gives them more value if there are relevant backlinks. So coming back to Ahrefs again, this is your site in Ahrefs. Now it shows here for backlinks, you have 8 sites linking back to your site. Let's take a look at your competitor here. Okay, now they have 1,300 sites linking back to their site. Take a look at this. So this is showing all the sites that are linking back to their site. So what we can do in this situation, we could get these same sites to link back to your site as well, so that you would then what we would do want to do is get more sites linking back to your site, which would give you even more authority than your competitor. Okay, well that's it in a nutshell. Again, we went over content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, including the same keywords that your competitor is being found for. And then we talked about citations. You want to have your citation listed in more directories than your competitor. And then we went over backlinks, and you want to have more backlinks pointing to your site, linking back to your site than your competitor, which will give you more authority. And all these things are going to push you up and push your ranking up when a Google search is done, which is going to cause your site to come up first. So I hope this has been informative for you and that you like what I've showed you. Um, and you can take this information and you can do it on your own. Or if you would like my help, or if you just have questions about things you can do, any more questions about things you can do, uh, please give me a call. My number is 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Donald Cunningham. My number is 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you, and you have a good day.